What up guys, Nax Tech here, and I've got another Nexus rumour for you today. You can see here that the Nexus program is apparently going to undergo huge changes, and we might see an LG Optimus G Nexus coming as soon as November. If you've seen my other video on the LG Optimus G, it'll probably have the same specs if it's true, which will have a S4 Pro quad-core processor which runs on Crate, which is the new architecture, 2 GB of RAM and a 13 megapixel camera. They are some nice specs. That's what I expect from a Nexus device. I was disappointed when I heard the Galaxy Nexus 2 with its kind of dual-core 1.5 processor, but there you go. I'll be much happier with those sort of specs. But anyway, let's dive into this rumour a bit more and see what we've got. So they think that we'll see Android 4.2. That's not that much of a jump, you know. It's probably going to be kind of a small update, but saying that, we did get Jelly Bean this year, so for them to go to Jelly Bean to Key Lime Pie Android 5.0 in 1 year would be ridiculous, you know. Nobody can keep up with that. It would piss everyone off. So 4.2 is understandable and makes a lot of sense. And apparently they're going to co-event with LG when they release the LG Optimus G Nexus. That's quite a mouthful, isn't it? Hopefully they don't call it that. Let's go into this some more. So they've run into something here. In order to qualify for the Nexus program, handset manufacturers must use stock Android and 64 megabytes of secure memory for media streaming. Now, the big thing with Android 4.2, if it's true, is that custom UI skins will be allowed as part of a new customization center. Customization center. Yeah, so in other words, a theme manager. So if this is true and the LG Optimus G Nexus comes out, I'm guessing you're going to have the option to use LG's skin or go completely stock Nexus. Now, that's what I hope anyway. I hope they don't ruin it and ruin the whole Nexus line by kind of choosing the theme, but it's still kind of got bloatware from LG. I don't want that. I want one or the other. So I either want it to be the LG custom skin, or if I turn it off, it needs to be completely stock Nexus. And then it goes on to say there are additional hardware requirements that are needed to make sure the devices will support Android 5.0, which is scheduled to in fall 2013. The customization center is nice, you know. Theme manager, more customization to Android is always a good thing, you know. We like that sort of stuff. But I hope they don't ruin the Nexus line, you know. People like the Nexus line because it's stock Android and that's it, you know. It doesn't have any of the crap that LG or your carrier puts on it, and that is the best thing about it. So let's hope they don't ruin that. What else have we got? Yada yada yada. We know it's just a rumor. Obviously it might not be 100%, although the source seems to be a regular source who's provided accurate information in the past. We don't know. We'll have to wait and see. What else do we have? LG. Yeah, they reckon we're gonna, and so do I actually. I think we're gonna hear something solid about the Nexus device, or the next Nexus rumor, not rumor, sorry, the next Nexus kind of fact in the next 30 days. In the next 3 to 4 weeks, we will know something solid about the next Nexus phone or phones, and the next version of Android. So that'd be nice to know, because we've been waiting for it for a while, right? What does this guy says here? Google plans to give multiple mobile device makers early access to new releases of Android and to sell those devices directly to consumers. Now Google will work with as many as 5 manufacturers at a time to create a portfolio of Nexus Lead devices that include smartphones and tablets. So we've heard this rumor before, right? We might get 4 to 5 Nexus phones. That's nice, you know. We could get the LG Optimus G Nexus, the Samsung Galaxy Nexus 2, an Xperia Sony Nexus, a HTC One Nexus. Think of the choice, think of the customizability and all of that. You can literally choose everything you want, you know. It'd be so nice if that's true. What else do we know? Yeah, another big thing which I'm not quite sure here is it talks about Android 4.2 is probably a small update, you know, probably power management, new stuff, new framework, probably smoother. Project Butter version 2. But one of the big things, apparently, they said the UI is basically the same as 4.1, but home screens are now shown as tabs. Home screens has been on Android since pretty much the beginning, right? If they change them to tabs, they need to do it right. Let's hope they don't ruin the home screens, because that is one of the big things about Android. I have no idea how they'll do the tabs, how it'll work. Maybe it'll be like Google Chrome like this, and you can switch to your home screens like that. I don't know, but either way, let's hope they do it, and if they do it, let's hope they do it well. I just don't want to ruin Android and have to move to Windows Phone or iOS, you know. I want my customizability. So, yeah, the customization center is the big thing, really. Yeah, that's basically the room we've got. I mean, we'll know something solid soon. What do you think about this customization center? Is it worth it? I mean, would you use it? I mean, most people that buy Nexus devices buy them because they want the stock experience, right? So why even bother with a theme manager, a customization center to use the themes? But then again, choice. We love choice. Being Android fans, we love choice, right? Choice is the good thing to be. So it's why we moved over from iOS. It's why some people move over. I mean, iOS is great, but it doesn't have the customization ability. That's a made up word. Customization of the Android ecosystem. So yeah, let's hope we find out something solid soon. But let me know what you think about all this. What you think about Android 4.2, the tabs. I mean, again, this is just a massive rumor. But yeah, have a good day, guys, and let me know what you think.